Wepa, mi gente. We actually gonna say bye to Miriam. She took a lot of classes. She got from zero, from where she at right now. Okay. Now we're gonna say goodbye to our girl because she's traveling to Latin America. We're not gonna tell you the country to be specific so that way you don't go and try to hijack the family, all right? So we're gonna keep it right here, all right? Miriam, good job, all right? Your work shows very, very good student. I hope that I get one more like this, you know what I'm talking about? Determination, you know what I'm talking about? On time, all right? She's about that game, okay, my people? Show some love right here, all right, for Miriam. And be nice, all right? Let's go.
Mirar,